So I was at the Bristol Corsair last night and found that my short roller and all of my tools actually were completely solid from the epoxy in a bucket like this, where I've got all my usually thinned out and whatever, but my buddy poured some epoxy into the thinner and that hardened up right with it. So basically I'm here just to grab a roller that I didn't have last night, a brush or two for touch up the edges, and I've got a couple rollers here. I think I'm going to get a nice thick one so that we've got some good coverage. I'm really going to get this hose done so these guys can get in the water and I can move on to better things. So anyways, I will see you guys over there. Thanks for watching.